Have you seen these AI glass fruit cutting ASMR videos getting millions of views on TikTok and YouTube Shorts? Let me show you how to make your own fast and for free. First, here's a ready-to-use prompt that generates stunning results. You'll find the full prompt in the video description, just copy and paste. Next, go to canva.com and find the Canva AI. This feature is available with a Canva Pro subscription or during the free trial. You get 5 video generations per month in the trial. No watermark, no editing skills needed. Click on Create a video clip. Then choose aspect ratio, horizontal or vertical, and set duration. Copy and paste the prompt. Click the Submit button. Sometimes AI is busy and can't generate a video of the setting aspect ratio at the moment. If you still want to generate the video right now, just say yes. It will take about 2 minutes to generate the video. Wait, and here is the result. When you are happy with the result, just click the Download button. Want more? Just ask ChatGPT to generate similar prompts for other fruits, apples, grapes, kiwi. Copy the basic prompt into the ChatGPT and ask it to generate similar prompts. The command text will also be in the file with the basic prompt. You will find the link to the file in the description under the video. You can change the prompt to create unique effects and stand out from the crowd. With just a few tweaks, you can create a ton of unique ASMR content. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Your feedback helps me grow and share more free AI-powered content ideas with you. Thanks for watching.